Hi students, in this video we will learn what is a function, how to define it and how to use it. A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. Actually, the larger application programs are divided into many small modules, and that is based upon the functions. That makes those programs easier to understood. That makes the modular programming. And so we will need functions in every program. A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can pass data known as parameters into a function. The function may process and show the result as print, or it may return the result. How to define the function? To define a function, you will have to use def keyword in Python. So first write def keyword space the function name followed by parenthesis, and this ends with colon. Go to the next line. The next line inside this function will be indented with a tab. All the lines that are block of this function that are inside this function must be indented. You can write any number of statements in a function, and you can write a return statement if necessary. Here an example is given: def space my function. The function name chosen is my function, and this function have a statement print hello from function. You can define this function and write another statement inside my function with the same indent, or you can write any other type of statements that takes some input and calculates and produces output, or you can have your specific function name depending upon the processing of this function. For example, this function is doing addition of two numbers by taking input from keyboard, so you can write the function name as add or addition, and you can print the result, or you can return it, or you can define add function another way, where the values a and b are not being input from keyboard in this function, but they have been passed to this function when this function was called. So from the previous one, the difference is that the line a equal to int input enter a number, b int input enter a number have been replaced by taking these two values from the function when it was invoked or called. Third line is same, and for fourth line, besides printing, you can return, though you can print here too. You can write print c or return c. A and b that have been passed to this function are parameters or arguments. Calling a function. Once you defined a function, you can call it. To call a function, you simply need that function name, parenthesis, and the parameters. The calling of a function is invoking it. Thank you.